Hello everyone, this is Aya. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Happy Mother's Day card. This is fun card to make. This card called Flexi card. So let's get started. I'm going to use papers from Graphic 45. This is one of their latest collection, and this paper called Let It Be. So beautiful, I feel it fits the mother. It has like bees and sunflowers. For the die, I'm going to use this die called Flexi Card Die by iCrafter. I'm going to link the die in the description box if you are interested. This die is so fun. It has like 3 interchangeable dies: Happy Mother's Day, Happy Father's Days, and Celebrate. So you can use it, in any occasion. I have here my manual die cutting machine, and I choose this honeycomb paper, the yellow one, for the frame. So I have here the frame die, and this is the main part. I'm going to put it here, and you can choose your sentiment. I mean, you can choose Happy Mother's Day or Father's Day or Celebrate. You will put it in the middle. Here I'm using a magnetic platform also by iCrafter. Again, I'm linking in the description box if you are interested. Now I'm going to cut the back of the card, and I use this paper. It has like small bees and flowers. Now let's assemble the card. Really easy to assemble this card. So in the frame, you will see a crease line, so you have to fold it. Then I'm going to add glue, the tab that I just folded, to glue the back of the card. Here I'm using clear double-sided tape. So I'm going to adhere the back of the card to the tab that I just fold. And ta-da! So it folds really perfectly. You can put it inside an A2 card or envelope, or you can make it a stand and hook the frame inside these 2 tabs in the back of the card. Because I have a busy background, so I'm going to add some embellishments or die cut. I die cut some sunflower from the same paper collection, Let It Be. And I'm going to adhere it from the top and the bottom of the card. Now let's make a Happy Father's Day card. I'm going to use papers from Graphic 45 and this collection called Wild and Free. So I die cut the frame using this, like zebra pattern, but in a blue color, which is really cool. And for the background, this green design has like a couple of animals. Again, choosing the busy background for the back of the card. Again, repeating the same steps. I'm going to fold the tab and add glue and adhere the back of the card to the frame. Really easy. The back of the card fits perfectly for a gift card, if you would like to add, a gift card. Now it's time to add a die cut also to this card. I'm using this zebra from a die cut collection pack by Graphic 45, and I'm using foam tape, and I think I put like 3 foam tape because I want it to be really dimensional. So when it stands, you would feel like the zebra is walking or something. Really, really looks cool. So these are our cards for today. I hope you like them and get inspired. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.